Hi friends! Welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. Today we are going to draw a ladybug. Are you ready? Let's start! We can start by drawing the body. Just a big circle over here. Like that. And then now let's draw the head. I'm going to draw a big curved line here so it looks like a semicircle. Over here. Like that. Alright. Now I'm going to draw the part here. Just a curved line. Like that. Great. Now let's draw the wings. Let's draw the line going down and stop here. In the middle. And stop. And then line going down to the left. A line to the right like that. Great. Now let's draw the antennas. One here and one here. A long line and stop. Another one along and stop. Great. Now let's draw the circles on the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can actually draw as many circles as you want. And now I'm going to draw the legs. Have 6 legs. One here, just up, line, and then up, and then for this one it will go down like that. Line going down, and then line going down like that. Over here, line going down, and line going down. Great. Now let's draw the leaf. From here to around here, or you can actually just stop there too. Line like that, and then a line that. Great. Now I'm going to draw the line in the middle. Just like, and then stop, and stop. Great. Now let's color the head. It's kind of like the neck part, and then the circles. Okay, I'm actually going to add the eyes here and here. Now let's color. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.